I have behind me a pristine 2020 M2 Competition Hockenheim silver, black Dakota leather with the orange contrast stitching. This beautiful car only has 7,000 kilometers on it. It's basically brand new. And not only that, we got some nice M Performance parts added on. So down below, you notice the front splitter there with little winglets on the side. And as you can tell by the ride height, it's a little lower than a stock M2 Competition. This actually has the BMW M Performance height adjustable suspension on it, or in other words, BMW Coilovers. So this car is ready to go, a little lower, a little better stance, and the front splitter looks oh so good on the front. Let me give you guys a little tour of this vehicle, a little motivation of why you should be coming into Parkview BMW in Toronto, Canada to purchase this car. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you appreciate this content, please absolutely smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for future BMW content. If you are in the Toronto marketplace and you're in the market for an M2, or you know anybody who's in the market for an M2, please send me an email down below and I'll help you guys purchase this beautiful car. M2s have not been lasting very long lately, so come in and check this car out before it's too late. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.